Internet's gone loose, so time is through. Making love with you, so I'ma sit and just lay in my bed with the thoughts in my head, getting stuck to the race with you. For a sleep and cruise now. Stress is getting just a little bit lower. Mind's getting just a little bit closer. Find somebody in my life that can make it through. I'll be lost, I'll be found in the broken. Way out in the crowd, feeling open. Find somebody in my life that can make it through.
Bad vibes don't go with my braids, baby. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing boss braids with my super short natural hair. As you can see, I've already started braiding the hair of the camera, and I'm using Lush hair extension in color 30, my all-time favorite color. Just one pack of extension to make all this hair, and I cut it into 3 parts. I didn't want the braids to be too long, though I love long braids. I love my braids to be really long, but this time I wanted something like this, not too long and not too short.
I proved all the ways I'm here. Got my drink and trying to get what to do, yeah. I better fake it, yeah, we can work together till we make it. Better take a life like we're running out of patience. My mind's gone out way too far. Yeah, I'm not right, but I'm here. Better fake it, yeah, we can work together till we make it. Better take a life like we're running out of pages. I know that times have been hard, but that's alright, cause we found us.
I'm going to section out that amount of hair and apply my shine and jam so it's easier for me to grip the root, and I'm using the normal braiding method, not the feed in. This is super easy to do.
I'm confused. Internet's gone loose, so time is through. Making love with you, so I'ma sit and just lay in my bed with the thoughts in my head, getting stuck to the race with you. For a sleep and cruise now. Stress is getting just a little bit lower. Mind's getting just a little bit closer. Find somebody in my life that can make it through. I'll be lost, I'll be found in the broken. Way out in the crowd, feeling open. Find somebody in my life that can make it through. That one's just me times 2. I've been crazy, been thinking for too long now. Let it take on the world with 2 arms now. Got me singing right in the dark. No feelings I couldn't store. Ooh, and I swear I proved all the ways I'm here. Got my drink and trying to get what to do, yeah. I better fake it, yeah, we can work together till we make it. Better take a life like we're running out of patience. My mind's gone out way too far. Yeah, I'm not right, but I'm here. Better fake it, yeah, we can work together till we make it. Better take a life like we're running out of pages. I know that times have been hard, but that's alright, cause we found us. Stress is getting just a little bit lower. Mind's getting just a little bit closer. Find somebody in my life that can make it through. I'll be lost, I'll be found in the broken. Way out in the crowd, feeling open. Find somebody in my life that can make it through. That one's just me times 2.
So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share, and let me know what you think about this simple hairstyle. Thank you so much. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.